Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by ensuring your iPhone runs the latest iOS and Photos permissions are set. Open Photos and pick an image with a distinct subject. Crop if needed to remove distractions. Next, press and hold the subject until it lifts. This creates an automatic sticker. If that doesn't work, use the markup lasso tool to trace the area and copy it. Once copied, head to Messages or Notes to paste the sticker, so you can test how the extraction looks in context. You'll refine the sticker by pasting it into an app that supports editing, like Notes or Messages. Use Markup's eraser and brush to clean jagged edges and adjust opacity if you need a softer look. This matters when layering. Then use 2 fingers to scale, rotate, or add a drop shadow effect by duplicating and offsetting a darker copy. Once satisfied, save the image to Files or add it to a custom sticker pack so you can reuse it quickly across conversations and projects. Finalize by exporting the sticker as a PNG to preserve transparency. Save to Files or Photos for easy access. You can paste the sticker into Messages, Mail, or apps that accept images, or drag it between split-view apps on iPad. If the sticker shows rough edges or haloing, go back and redo extraction from the original high-resolution photo, or refine with markup at 100% zoom. One troubleshooting tip: if subject detection fails, increase contrast or retake the photo against a plain background.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.